Are you planning your next adventure? Discover how the right travel credit card can enhance your travel experience. For young travelers in the USA, these cards offer exclusive perks that can make your journey unforgettable. Imagine earning points for every dollar spent, accessing airport lounges, and having travel insurance at your fingertips. These are just a few advantages the best travel credit cards provide. In this video, we'll explore why having a travel credit card is essential. Whether you're jet-setting across the globe or exploring local gems, a travel credit card is more than just a financial tool. It's your passport to a world of possibilities. So buckle up as we uncover the top travel credit cards designed to elevate your experiences. Stay tuned as we explore the best options available to young American travelers today. In the world of travel, the right credit card can be a game changer. For young adventurers, travel credit cards unlock a realm of possibilities. Imagine earning points or miles with every purchase, redeemable for flights or hotel stays. These cards often come with travel insurance, ensuring peace of mind on your journey. Plus, exclusive perks like access to airport lounges or no foreign transaction fees can elevate your experience. But why are they so essential? For young travelers, maximizing every dollar spent is crucial. Travel credit cards help stretch those dollars further, aligning perfectly with the lifestyle of those exploring the world. Whether booking a spontaneous weekend getaway or an extended overseas adventure, these cards offer rewards that make each trip more affordable and enjoyable. As we delve deeper, we'll explore the top travel credit card options available in 2023, guiding you to find the perfect companion for your adventures. Let's dive into the best travel credit cards available in the USA for 2023. These cards enhance your travel experiences, offering benefits tailored to different travel styles. First, we have a card perfect for frequent flyers, offering generous reward points. Next, there's a card ideal for budget-conscious travelers, providing savings through competitive rewards and minimal fees, making it excellent for smart travel. Finally, for luxury lovers, we present a card offering premium benefits and services for those seeking comfort and exclusivity. Each card is carefully selected based on reward structures, annual fees, and travel-related perks. As we analyze these options, consider what aligns best with your travel habits and goals. Whether you're looking for cost savings, frequent flyer miles, or luxury perks, there's a card that fits your needs. Get ready to elevate your travel experiences with the right credit card by your side. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each option, ensuring you have all the information needed to make the best choice for your travels. Our first pick is perfect for those always on the go. Card 1, known as the Jet Setter's Choice. This card stands out with benefits tailored for frequent flyers. Imagine earning miles on every purchase, redeemable for flights, upgrades, or exclusive experiences. Card 1 offers a generous rewards program, ensuring you make the most of your travels. Designed for globetrotters, it provides travel insurance, no foreign transaction fees, and access to airport lounges worldwide. Whether hopping across the country or jetting off to another continent, Card 1 makes your journey smoother and more rewarding. The ease of booking flights and peace of mind knowing you're covered in unexpected situations make this card a reliable travel companion. As we continue exploring our top picks, consider how Card 1 could elevate your experience. Next, we'll delve into a card perfect for budget-conscious travelers, offering significant savings without sacrificing quality. For those who love to explore but need to keep an eye on their budget, Card 2 is a game changer. Designed for budget-conscious travelers, this card offers cost-effective travel rewards that help stretch every dollar further. Imagine earning points on everyday purchases, redeemable for flights and hotel stays, all while enjoying low annual fees. With Card 2, you don't have to compromise on your travel dreams. It's perfect for young adventurers wanting to experience the world without breaking the bank. From cashback offers to discounted travel rates, this card ensures every trip is both memorable and affordable. So if you're planning your next journey, consider how Card 2 can make it a reality. Stay tuned as we explore another exciting option for luxury travelers next, with Card 3 offering premium perks for those looking to indulge in their journeys. For those who savor the finer things in life, Card 3 is your gateway to unparalleled luxury. Imagine exclusive access to airport lounges, concierge services at your fingertips, and premium travel insurance for peace of mind. This card is more than just a payment tool. It's a passport to elevated travel experiences. Whether it's a 5-star hotel stay or a gourmet dining experience, Card 3 transforms every journey into an indulgent adventure. Ideal for luxury travelers, it offers unmatched perks that elevate every aspect of your trip. As we delve deeper into the details, you'll discover how these premium benefits can redefine your travel experiences. From seamless check-ins to exclusive event access, Card 3 is designed for those who expect nothing but the best. If luxury is your travel companion, this card promises to deliver. Next, we'll guide you in comparing these premium perks to ensure you choose the card that perfectly aligns with your travel aspirations. As we approach the end of our journey through the best travel credit cards, it's time to weigh the options and make an informed decision. Imagine your travel habits. Are you the frequent flyer, the budget-conscious explorer, or someone who relishes luxury experiences? Let's compare the top contenders. Card 1 is ideal for those constantly on the move, offering rewards for frequent flyers. Card 2 shines for budget travelers, providing savings and benefits without breaking the bank. Meanwhile, Card 3 caters to those who appreciate the finer things in life. When choosing your card, consider what matters most. Is it earning miles quickly, access to exclusive lounges, or insurance for unexpected events? Each card has strengths tailored to different travel styles. Think about your upcoming trips. Which card aligns with your destinations, spending habits, and preferences? By aligning your choice with your lifestyle, you ensure every swipe enhances your travel experiences. Remember, the right travel credit card is more than just a financial tool. It's your passport to new adventures. With these insights, you're equipped to make a choice that meets your financial goals and enriches your travel experiences. As we draw to a close, let's recap our top travel credit card picks. These options cater to the diverse needs of young travelers across the United States. Choosing the right travel credit card can transform your journeys, turning everyday purchases into rewarding experiences. Remember, it's not just about the perks or miles, it's about finding a card that aligns with your personal travel style and financial goals. Consider the benefits each card offers. Some might entice you with sign-up bonuses, while others provide comprehensive travel insurance or access to exclusive lounges. Weigh these features against your travel habits. Do you prioritize earning points on flights? Or perhaps hotel rewards are more up your alley? The choice is yours. As you decide, consider the factors we've discussed: annual fees, interest rates, and the ability to earn and redeem points or miles. We hope this review has equipped you with the insights needed to make an informed decision. Your adventures await, and with the right travel credit card, they are just a swipe away. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the best travel credit cards available today. We encourage you to explore your options and choose the card that best suits your unique travel needs. Safe travels, and may your future adventures be as rewarding as the choices you make today.